Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Amical, a tool that turns speech into polished text in any app with local or cloud AI and support for 100 plus language. It's a tool that will dictate what you say, so it's pretty straightforward to understand. The deals here, the difference is the number of total words per month using cloud. So with tier one, you have 200,000 and then so on up to 3 million of words. The tier one will be good for many of the use case, and to use the tool is pretty simple. I'm going to the Gmail. I already installed the tool. The process takes around of 1 minute. I'm gonna now type and the tool will dictate everything I'm typing. As you can see, it works pretty straightforward and it can record em many languages. Agora eu estou testando em português, vocês podem ver que funciona perfeitamente. And it's pretty fast. I like it. So this is Amical AI. I hope you like it, the tool. They have on their website the iOS and the Android apps as well. And I think it's faster than the last tool that came on AppSumo. So I'm gonna consider this one. And thank you so much. Bye bye.